This is from the National, dated the 5th of August 2024. NASA astronauts who have spent 2 months aboard the International Space Station after a series of technical faults with their Boeing Starliner craft prolonged their week-long mission still do not know when they will return to Earth. Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore arrived on the ISS on June the 6th for the first crewed flight of Boeing's commercial space program. Starliner has suffered a series of helium leaks and thruster problems since docking, with a firm date for the return journey still to be set by Boeing and NASA. The litany of problems sparked concern that the two travellers were stuck in space, but mission chiefs have sought to offer assurances that they were well prepared for a lengthy voyage. Boeing stressed last week it remains confident that the craft will be able to transport them back safely. So Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore arrived on the ISS on June the 6th for the first crewed flight of Boeing's commercial space program. Well, no one seems that bothered that they are stuck up there. But what about all that extra oxygen, water, food, etc. required aboard the ISS for these extra astronauts? The supposedly 10-day mission is now nearing 2 months. So what are the limits to our life support systems? It has to be finite. It can't be unlimited. So how many people can you put on the ISS? These people are not supposed to be there. Of course, the story ought to be about life support. Think if people are trapped on a submarine. How long will the air last? And the food and the water? Or even if they are stuck behind a cave collapse? How much food and water do they have to survive on? And in the longer term, what about carbon dioxide build-up, toilets, clothing, etc.? But you can't start talking about life support. Otherwise, you would start to question everything. The bottom line seems to be that no one is in the least concerned for these astronauts. Why? Well, the simplest answer would be that they are not there. For their return to Earth, just put them in another capsule and push it out of a plane at height and let it parachute to the Earth. Lo and behold, they can step out unharmed. Again, NASA is pulling the wool over our eyes. See the Capricorn 1 movie.